Wow, guys, it's already starting to smell like pumpkin spice. They're trying to brainwash us into fall already. All right, guys, let's get into this week's local love report and see all the great stuff going on. Do you need to relax more? Well, check out our amazing coloring book and you could have a more beautiful day. Check the link in the description. Welcome back to the Local Love Report, everybody. This is for September 9th, 10th, and 11th. That is your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So let's get out in our beautiful city and find all the great events and fun stuff going on just for you guys. Let's get into it and find all the hot spots this weekend. Let's go. Friday, 9 a.m. Segoy Expo at Universal Doubletree Resort. $40 and up will get you into this great expo going on until September 11th. 12 p.m. Escape Artist, the final seance escape room at the Great Escape Room. It's $35 to enjoy this unique experience going on now until December 31st. 2 p.m. WPL Community Volunteer Fair at Winter Park Library and Event Center. This free event is a great chance for you to get together with other people looking to volunteer there at the library and get excited about volunteering. 3 p.m. David Bowie Week, The Man Who Fell to Earth at Enzian Theater. Make sure you don't miss out on the other themed movies that David Bowie was in that they'll be playing at Enzian this week. Check it out. 6 p.m. On Purpose, a ceramic art exhibition at the Sculpture House. It is a free show. Come on out and support local artists. 7 p.m. Hallow Scream at SeaWorld, $34.99 and up, Thursdays through Sundays, going on till October 7th. 8 p.m. Little Women, the musical at Breakthrough Theater Company of Winter Park. 8 p.m. on Friday, DJ Mellow Belin's Drake versus Kanye Dance Night at West End Trading Company. $15 to $18 to come in and see who wins. 10:30 p.m. Akasha Singh at Orlando Improv. $25 and up. And you can come out and enjoy their comedy until September 10th. All right, guys. Now make sure that if you need more events for your week or even any day of the week, that you go over to our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page where you're going to find a new list posted to the top of the page every single day for you. If you want to catch it the day before, you can find it in our feed and it'll be right there on our page around 2 o'clock usually when we upload those different lists. All right, guys. Now, thank you guys for staying with us. And I hope that you guys, if you need more goodies, that you definitely go over and check out that page. And don't forget to ring the bell because we're here doing this for you every single week. And now we are getting ready for the heat of the weekend. We're ready to have a little extra fun on our Saturday. Let's go, Saturday. All right, guys, 6:30 a.m. Tunnel to Towers 5K run and walk at Cranes Roost Park. Follow the footsteps of 9/11 hero firefighter Stephen Siller to ensure we never forget and honor the sacrifices of our first responders and military heroes. 9 a.m. Spirit Fest Orlando Metaphysical and Holistic Expo at Avante Palms Resort and Conference Center. 9 a.m. on Saturday, Milk District Cleanup at CrossFit Milk District. Come on out and help clean up this area, and let's keep our city beautiful. "10 a.m. Figurehead Music and Mayhem in Orlando's Underground opening at Orange County Regional History Center. This is a free exhibit, so come on out and enjoy checking out what it used to be like to live here in Orlando. 12 p.m. Saturday matinee, Aguirre, The Wrath of God at Enzian Theater. 12 p.m. on Saturday, Angie's Planties grand opening at 420 East Church Street, Orlando. 1 p.m. Saturday's Generation, Bloomingdale's 150th Anniversary Bash at Bloomingdale's in the Mall at Millennia. 5 p.m. Virginia Drive Live. You know, we love a great street party. We love being able to go to multiple venues. This one is exactly that. You'll be able to go over to some of the other exhibits. 5 p.m. on Saturday, Virginia Drive Live. It's on Virginia Avenue. And of course, there's going to be a block party, but you will have multiple venues that you can go into as part of the price for admission. 5:30 p.m. Taboo exhibition at College Park Gallery. So make sure you get into College Park Gallery and check out some of the amazing artwork they've got hanging on the walls this month. And of course, make sure that you always help support local art. 9 p.m. David Bowie Week, Labyrinth at Enzian Theater. All right, guys, that one is such an amazing movie. Don't miss it. All right, everybody. So now we're going to move into something a little chiller, something a little more relaxing and cool. Here we go with Sunday. Uncorked at Harriet's Orlando Ballet Center. Going on from September 1st through the 30th. You can come on out and enjoy watching these amazing dancers do their thing. Land of Luck Main Event Entertainment. Main Event will be giving out at random $1 up to $1,000 in free gameplay with every purchase of a fun card package of $25 or more. So come on out, going on now until October 4th. 9 a.m. Fairy Doors at Harry P. Lou Gardens. This is such a beautiful event every year, guys, when you go up and look at these amazingly gorgeous fairy doors. Come on out and support our community and enjoy a day out at Harry P. Lou Gardens. Free up to $15, going on until October 31st. 11 a.m. She Sells at the Abbey. And it's free, so come on out and enjoy this amazing chance to grab some of She Sells items. 11 a.m. on Sunday, Priscilla Billingsley's Interior Castle at Hollerback's Art House. This great exhibit of art will be going on until October 6th. 12 p.m. David Bowie Week. Merry Christmas, Mr. Lawrence at Enzian Theater. 5:30 p.m. Divas in Concert Reboot at Orlando Museum of Art. $75 and up will get you into this great concert experience. 6 p.m. on Sunday, Sunset Sessions. Cocoa Drills at Elixir. And it's free up to $10 to come out and enjoy a little live music and support some of your local favorites. All right, guys, and last but not least for your Sunday, Wax and Wane at Grumpy's Underground Lounge. This is always the second Sunday of every month. Make sure you come out, enjoy some amazing music, and a great time for everybody. All right, everybody. And as I mentioned before, guys, if you need more events, don't you worry. Just go on over to our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page for a full list of events available. And other than that, guys, get out there, grab your favorite coffee, get that pumpkin spice latte if that's what you're into, or just go out and explore and enjoy all the beautiful things going on out in our city. Whether you're going to go out on that Winter Park boat tour, or maybe check out a great movie like some of these David Bowie offerings, or even this awesome place here, the Chocolate Factory, there's all kinds of amazing things out there waiting for you to come find them. And guys, other than that, I want to thank you all for tuning in as always here at Local Love. We appreciate it. And please make sure you tune in to some of the other videos, and make sure you don't forget to follow me, Amanda Irene Hope, on TikTok. We'd love to see you over there. Lots of fun stuff going on. And other than that, guys, drop us a comment. Let us know what you thought about the list. Maybe share any events you have going on. We'd love to hear from you. And you know what? Peace. We're going to catch you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.